It helps with deeper, optimal dermo-environmental collagen and
Elasticity.
I'm fucked up already.
No, it's alright. No.
Okay.
So I'm really used to HA and HLA.
LHA.
That's the one. Glad you corrected me because that has H and HLA. Did I get that right? So you're probably off now. So we know in take two. We know.
So you're gonna get that optimal hydrating result.
Yeah, either that or a rash.
This is so sad to watch. Huh? Such a weird sound. I never thought this would be a
Satisfying.
What's minute?
It smells like baby.
What's your ideal baby?
Like fresh, clean, like I don't know.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so we tell our how we smell that baby. It doesn't have a smell or anything.
See, I can smell baby. I think it's Milton. That ain't happening. Why are you ticklish there? She's a nutter. Why are you ticklish there? You ticklish on your chin.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, like I did.
It's safe for obviously your
Yeah, whatever.
Sick.
well,
Why did I get this one? There's no smell to the product, I don't think. I can't smell nothing, can you? No, and there's no, it doesn't sting.
I think that he's making us all delusional.
The way
About to.
The way that you looked at the camera after you did that was so funny.
It smells weird.
It smells like weed.
No weird. It smells like metal. You good?
It's just that weird silence. Perfect. So that went in really well. Really enjoyed that, especially the back technique.
You're done. It's got something which I've not really heard of, known as trehalose. Trehalose with trehalose.
Triloxus.
Trehalose.
Trilus? Trilus.
Trehalose.
Trilos. Trilos. Take me to your leaders. We come in peace from Trilos.
Tre-
Yeah.